so much for joining my course. I'm so excited to have you here. This first section of the course, I want to give you some Happiness 101, some basic lessons on happiness. I want to tell you what exactly happiness is, what it is not, and why it is so important. This is a key foundation to the course because understanding the real science behind happiness is what makes it more achievable for you. There are too many happiness myths around, and if you let them lead you astray, they will actually hold your happiness back. That is not what you want, because that is exactly what they did to me, and I don't want the same thing to happen to you. It wasn't until I did my Master's of Science in Applied Positive Psychology and became the happyologist that I truly learned what happiness actually is and how to naturally achieve it. So, of course, now I want to teach you exactly what I learned. Dive in to your first lesson to get started.